Hey everyone, it's Lee here, and in this video I'm going to help you fix a common issue with the iPhone where the text messages are not sending or not going through. Don't worry, it's a quick and pretty straightforward and easy fix, so let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is open up Safari on your iPhone and type in speed test into Google. This will help you check if the internet connection is the problem. If your internet speed is slow, try switching to the cellular data by toggling off your Wi-Fi from the top right hand corner on your screen. If your internet is not the issue, head to your iPhone settings here on the home screen and scroll down until you find Messages. Make sure the iMessages is toggled on here. If it's already on, toggle it off and wait for around 10 seconds, then toggle it back on again. This will reactivate your iMessages. Also, come down the screen slightly and make sure that Send as SMS is turned on. So if your iPhone can't send an iMessage to send a text, it will try to send a normal text message. If these steps don't work, try restarting your iPhone by holding down the power button and the volume up button and sliding to the power off. If the problem persists, go to the General in the settings and scroll down until you find Reset iPhone. Tap on that and hit Reset Network Settings. This will reset the core files that connect to the different Wi-Fi or cellular networks. If you've gone through all these settings and you're still having issues with a specific person not receiving your text messages, there's a chance they've either turned on airplane mode or have blocked you on their iPhone. I hope this video helped you fix your iPhone text messages issue. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.